Greetings from Everyday GMP. I am your presenter from Everyday GMP. This is series of video. We will discuss all the lean manufacturing tools. In this series we will discuss more than 30 lean manufacturing tools. In this video we will cover few lean tools like 5S, ABC inventory, Andon and bottleneck analysis. Link of other videos are in the description. Further tools will be covered in other videos series of lean manufacturing tools. Video number 1. Keep watching all videos, so let's start. Lean manufacturing is a systematic approach to optimizing processes and eliminating waste within a manufacturing system. The primary goal is to deliver maximum value to customers while minimizing resources, time, and costs. It focuses on continuous improvement and the relentless pursuit of efficiency. Several tools are commonly used in lean manufacturing to achieve these objectives, like Kaizen, 5S bottleneck analysis, Andon, just-in-time, JIT, Kanban, poker yoke, total productive maintenance, TPM, Six Sigma, and more much. So let's start to the main presentation. 5S is a systematic method for workplace organization and standardization. It emphasizes the principles of sort, set in order, shine, standardize, and sustain. By implementing 5S, organizations improve efficiency, safety, and overall productivity by creating a well-organized, clean, and visually efficient workplace. This methodology not only enhances the physical workspace but also fosters a culture of continuous improvement and employee engagement, leading to higher quality output and streamlined operations. In details, if we discuss it, 5S is a workplace organization method that uses a list of 5 Japanese words: seiri, sitong, siso, seiketsu and shitsuke. These have been translated as sort, set in order, shine, standardize, sustain. Sort. The first step in 5S involves removing unnecessary items from the workspace. By decluttering and organizing, the efficiency of the workspace is enhanced. Set in order. After sorting, everything in the workspace is assigned a designated place. Tools, materials, and equipment are organized systematically, making it easier for employees to find and use what they need promptly. Standardize. Standardizing processes and procedures ensures consistency across the organization. Standardization simplifies training, reduces errors, and promotes a uniform approach to tasks, leading to increased efficiency and quality. Sustain. Sustaining the improvements achieved is crucial. Regular audits, training, and employee engagement activities are implemented to maintain the 5S standards. Continuous reinforcement ensures that the workplace remains organized, efficient, and free of waste in the long run. These 5S tools, when implemented effectively, create a culture of continuous improvement, leading to increased productivity, reduced waste, and enhanced overall efficiency in manufacturing processes. In some quarters, 5S has become 6S, the sixth element being safety, safe. 5S is a simple but effective way to eliminate waste and improve efficiency in the workplace. Create a safe, organized, and productive work area through these 5 steps. ABC inventory analysis is a crucial tool in lean manufacturing used for categorizing items based on their importance and impact on overall operations. In this method, items are classified into 3 categories: A, B, and C. ABC inventory analysis optimizes resource allocation, reduces holding costs, prevents stockouts, improves supplier negotiations, streamlines production planning, enhances demand forecasting, and facilitates informed decision-making, leading to efficient inventory management and increased profitability. Number 1 is A. Expensive inventory accurate control required. Number 2 is B. Moderate value inventory moderate controls required. Number 3 is C. Low cost inventory minimum controls required. Andon is a lean manufacturing tool and a visual management system used in production facilities to indicate the status of operations at a glance. Traditionally, Andon systems use lights and displays to provide real-time feedback on the production line's performance. When everything is running smoothly, the Andon system displays a green light, indicating normal operation. However, if a problem occurs, workers can activate the Andon system to trigger a signal, often a flashing light or a different colored light, such as red or yellow, indicating the specific issue or its location. Andon refers to a visual system that is used to signal problems or defects in a production process. 3 Andon systems can help to improve production efficiency and quality. Real-time visual feedback, visual signals, issue alert, quick response, enhanced communication, empowers employees, efficiency improvement. In manufacturing, Andon is a system which notifies managerial, maintenance, and other workers of a quality or process problem. The alert can be activated manually by a worker using a pull cord or button or may be activated automatically by the production equipment itself. The system may include a means to pause production so the issue can be corrected. Some modern alert systems incorporate audio alarms, text, or other displays. Stack lights are among the most commonly used. Andon is a loanword from Japanese, originally meaning paper lantern. Japanese manufacturers began its quality control usage. A bottleneck in lean manufacturing refers to a point in the production process where the flow of work is impeded, causing a slowdown in overall production. Identifying and addressing bottlenecks is essential in optimizing efficiency. By focusing resources on these constraints, businesses can enhance productivity, reduce lead times, and improve the overall flow of operations. Bottleneck analysis helps in streamlining processes, increasing throughput, and ensuring that production aligns with demand, ultimately maximizing the efficiency of the entire system. Bottleneck analysis is a management tool used to identify constraints and inefficiencies in a system or process that limit its capacity and productivity. It involves identifying and prioritizing the steps that take the most time, resources, or effort and analyzing them to identify the root causes of the inefficiencies. The importance of identifying and addressing bottlenecks in lean manufacturing cannot be overstated. Here's why it's crucial. Efficiency optimization, reduced lead times, resource utilization, cost reduction, improved quality, better decision making, enhanced flexibility, continuous improvement. That's all for today's video on lean manufacturing tools. If you found this information helpful, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell to stay. If you have any questions or want to share your journey, leave a comment below. Until next time, keep dreaming big and reaching for your goals.